Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video, and we have a new version of Miui launcher from Miui 13.1 available, and installation is as easy as downloading the APK in the description of the video, going into File Manager, and then updating your launcher. Once that is done, of course, the UI is going to refresh, and let us have a look at the changes which you get with this new Miui 13.1 launcher. So if you press and hold on the empty space on your home screen, go into settings on the bottom right. Herein you will see a new option which says remove text from widgets. How does this work? So have a look at the clock widget. You have the clock text below that, and now if I go ahead and enable this toggle, that text should disappear. Bam, here it is. You can see the text has disappeared. Now you also have another option which says don't show text. This is going to work universally. So the text below all the icons also disappeared, and the text below the widget will also disappear, because once you enable don't show text, the remove text from widgets is automatically disabled. This means that the text from the clock widget has also disappeared. Then we can go back into settings, go into more. The next change you will notice is that the option of system launcher has disappeared. You have home screen option over here. Previously you used to have the option of choosing a different launcher, system launcher. That has disappeared. Let us go into settings and home screen and see if that option is there. So pretty strange, but you cannot change the default launcher is what I am seeing over here. Then there is another option in your home screen. So if you go into home screen, previously you had classic, and with app drawer now you have something called light mode. Once you do that, the whole UI is going to get bigger. There it is. You can see this is the bigger UI, and your gestures was replaced with your 3-button navigation style. Now let us see if we can press and hold and bring back the gestures and the new style, but unfortunately you cannot do that. So how do you get rid of light mode? Well, you can go into settings. Once you're in settings, you can go into special features here and go into light mode and say turn off light mode. Once you do that, your gestures will be back, but the downside right now is that the home screen layout got reset. As you can see, this is the default layout which comes with MIUI launcher out of the box. My icons, my home screen setup, everything got reset, which is a bummer and could be an issue with this specific build of the launcher. Now in case you do not like this, you want to go back to the previous launcher, you can go into settings, then you will go into apps. Herein you can go into manage apps, three-dot menu on the top, and make sure you have selected show all apps. Then we are going to type in the search bar. You have to search for system launcher, and once you search for system launcher, you are going to get the option of uninstalling updates. So here it is, system launcher. On the bottom middle you have uninstall updates. Do that and you should be back to the previous version of the launcher which was installed on your device. Let's see, let me go back to the home screen and then let us go into settings. So there it is. You can see the toggle for disabling text on widgets has gone. If I go into more, I have my default launcher back, and if I go into home screen, I have only two home screens, which is your classic and with app drawer. Light mode has since disappeared. And there it is, just a small video showing you the latest MIUI 13.1 launcher, and that will do it for this one. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.